Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today is day 15 of Vlogmas and I am going to test out and review the Gleaming Stones palette from Sephora. So it's this palette here. I picked this up in Rhodes a while back now when I went on a little family holiday. And yeah, I'm actually really excited to try this out. I haven't tried any Sephora products for such a long time. So we're going to dig in. So this is what the packaging of the palette itself looks like. Absolutely stunning. I love this kind of rose quartz look it's got. And then this is the colour story. So really lovely, warm tones. Yeah, I love these sorts of colours anyway. So we have one kind of base primer here, which I will use today. I don't normally use those, but I will today. And then there's 1, 2, 3 mattes and 4 shimmers. So a lovely ratio there. I'll give them a quick swatch for you. Well, that was a nice surprise. I wasn't expecting that at all. These swatched so nicely, really, really pigmented, and they feel really nice as well, like the formula. So we have Crystal, Rose Quartz, Carrot, Ruby, Angelite, Treasure and Gem. Yeah, I have to say they feel absolutely stunning, the formula, and the pigment was definitely there. I'm really excited to dig into this actually. I've never tried a Sephora palette. I've tried a couple of base products, I think a blusher and possibly a highlighter, but I've never tried the eyeshadows. So yeah, can't wait. Right then, so let's dig in. Right, so eyes primed. So I am going to go in first actually with this base primer here. So it's basically just a really pale, almost white shadow. And I'm just going to slap that all over my lid.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too.
Okay, so that's that done. What these do, as I said, I don't normally use them to be honest, but what they actually do is obviously if you put down a creamy primer, like on this side for example, and I get really bad creasing, I should use them more often, but they set down the primer and they just kind of give a nice base to blend your other colours into. But yeah, it is normally a step that I skip, but I am going to use it today. So I'm going to go into my crease and just above using this shade just here, which is Carrot.
Come sit next to me, let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't want to go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay.
Oh yeah. Look, that is a stunning colour. Do you know what? I noticed that when I swatched it. It looks quite kind of pale in the palette. And when I swatched it, oh my God, that's a lovely colour. It just shows how much pigment is in this. Yeah, so that's really nice. So the next thing I'm going to do is just blend the edge of that out with a clean brush. Okay, so that's blended absolutely beautifully. I could really tell the difference, you know, having that that powder primer underneath it. It was really, really easy to blend. Right, so next I'm going to go right into my crease again using Ruby, which is this one just here. But then when I get to this part, I'm going to swap to Gem, so the dark brown, and I'm going to bring that onto my outer part just here as well.
I know you don't wanna talk.
Right, okay, so that's how we're looking. The brown is really nice. The kind of plummy colour was a little bit tricky. It's gone a bit patchy. I don't know if you can see. And that's after sort of 3 layers of the powder and then obviously blending it. It has gone a little bit patchy. However, I'm going to put a shimmer over that, so I'm hoping that will cover it a bit. Ignore this eye. Oh, every now and then it waters. I've said this many, many times. It waters and it just plays me up. And today is one of those days. So, yeah. So for the shimmer, I think I'm actually going to go in with this shade here called Angelite. I know I don't know if it's going to go, but, well, it should do because it's in the same palette, but we're going to go with it. So it's this kind of colour just here.
Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be.
Okay, yeah, I like that. And then on this very, very inner part here, I am going to go in with Rose Quartz. So this one just here. Oh yeah, I like that. Look at that. It's almost foiled, that one. Really nice. Right, so right on my very inner corners here, so not on my lid, just here, I'm going in with Crystal. So that's the palest one just there. Lovely. And then underneath I am going to go in with, I think I'm going to use the original shade that I used, which was Carrot. So the one right in the middle, that one. Yeah, I like that. Right, okay, so I'm just going to go away and pop some lashes and some mascara on and I will be back. Okay, so here is the finished look. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. The lashes were a pain in the backside today. They've taken me about 20 minutes to put on because of this watery corner in my eye and they just wouldn't stick. So, yeah, that's nothing to do with the palette though. That's another matter. But, yeah... And ignore this corner. I've had to top it up again with that shimmer because, again, that wore off. So please, when you look at the eyes, don't take no notice of this corner whatsoever. The thing that I had a little bit of an issue with was the 2 darker matte shades. The first one that I put on was absolutely stunning. Loved it. The Carrot shade, this one here. As I said, it actually went on darker, like more pigmented than what it looked in the palette. The Ruby and the Gem, I don't know. I think the Gem looks a little bit patchy on my outer corner, if I'm honest. And the Ruby one just wasn't, it just went patchy. Just wasn't the easiest to work with. I've tried my best and yeah, I do like the look. I do like it. I just don't love it. So here you go. Here's a quick close-up of the eyes. Yeah, this is my good eye. This is the eye that's gone dodgy. But yeah, I don't know if you can see any patchiness on that outer corner. It might be my lighting. Sometimes I think it's patchy and then when I turn all my lights off it doesn't actually look patchy, it's just like a reflection. But yeah, there's the other eye. But yeah, I mean, I love the colours, I really love the colours, but I just don't know, I'm not sure. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.